In this video, I will demonstrate how to create our own module in Node.js and include them in our applications. Our step 1 is create your module. Una, gagawa tayo ng simpleng module na nagbabalik ng kasalukuyang petsa at oras. Input lang natin itong export.myDateTime export dot my datetime equal function. The exports that main date time. This line allows us to make the myDateTime function available to other file. Pinapayagan tayo ng linyang ito na gawing available ang function na myDateTime sa ibang mga file. Then the next step is include your module to the other Node.js. This line defines a function called myDateTime and assign it to exports, making it available for other file to use. Then, inside it, makikita natin dito yung return date. This line calls the built-in date function which returns the current date and time as a string. Dito naman sa ating test module, input lang natin tong var http equal require http. This line imports the built-in HTTP module into our file, allowing us to create an HTTP server. Then, sunod dito ay itong var dt equal require, then the file name of the Node.js function. This line imports our custom module, my first module.js. The / indicates that the module is in the same directory as this file. Then next is http.createServer function. Then this line creates a new HTTP server. The function takes two parameters, which is the request and the response, which responds the incoming request from the client and the outgoing response from the server. The next is this line sends a HTTP response header to the client. 200 is the status code indicating that the request was successful. The next is res.write. This line writes the actual response body. It combines a string with the output of the myDateTime function from our custom module, displaying the current date and time. and displaying the current date and time. Then, ang sunod dito ay yung rest.end. This line signals to the server that the response is complete. It ends the response to the client. Then this line tells the server to listen for incoming request on port. Tignan na natin tong i-run. Then that's all about how to create our own module in Node.js and include them in our applications.